Hi, this is Dominic. We are here today in Holland, Michigan to paint the transom of this Tiara. Let's go inside and check it out. We are all prepped, ready with base coat. Let's get started. Hi, okay, we have our trim color, which I purposely made darker to accentuate the actual design and build, right? This is going to be slightly darker, but I wanted some contrast, subtle. Now, also, if you notice here, you can zoom in and see the wood plugs. Here, as if constructed. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, I am here with Karl, the master of clear coating and prepping. We're at ME Yacht Restoration. This is our finale. Came out really nice. I'll zoom in a little bit here. This facility is amazing. Oops, I'm not good at holding this thing that crazy. Let me get a little closer here. I just want to show you some of the detail work. Like the wood plugs that we do, and okay, let the master put the second coat. I think we're doing 4 to 6, I'm not sure. And that's it.
Make me wanna